The Industrial Rail Southern Fast Freight train set contains a Southern 442 steam locomotive, a Seaboard single-door boxcar, a Southern gondola, and a Southern caboose. The track included will make a 40-inch by 60-inch layout. The roadbed track features a tubular rail that uses a pin system to help it snap together easily. The train set is powered by an extremely reliable 80-watt power pack. The power pack features a button to change directions, a button to sound the horn, and one to sound the bell. The power pack is easily connected with a set of wires that run out to the terminal track. To run your locomotive with smoke, simply flip the switch to the on position, add a few drops of the supplied fluid, and you're ready to run.